Hello, I'm Dr. J from OptionMonster.com. The reason Jamie's reports are so valuable, folks, is the VIX is a metric of risk in the market. So as it picks up, that means people are worried about protecting. If the market's been going up, when their VIX is going up, well, then that means they want to protect. They're worried about the market rolling over. If the market's been going down very hard, well, obviously, then they're worried that maybe the market makes a U-turn and goes to the upside. So you got to watch the VIX. That's why this report is so important. Remember, you can follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/optionmonster.com. Take it away, Jamie.
Welcome. This is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, the market's been pretty quiet today, and the big news has been GM. They are coming out of bankruptcy sooner rather than later, and on the OTC markets, their shares are soaring. They're up over $1. They're trading about $1.15 as compared with about 85 cents yesterday. The S&P 500 is down small overall, but we're still seeing volatility come back in the near term in the VIX. Earlier this week, we had a couple of big sell-offs and a lot of buyers of July and August upside. It seems like the event they were looking for this week really hasn't been coming, and now we're seeing people unload some of that upside premium. The July 40-60 call spread was a big trade right here that traded for 30 cents. Now those 60s are so far out of the money that you're really making a market there on the 40 call. So those were sold down to 30 cents, and that put some downside pressure on the option premium levels for all of the upside calls. People starting to think there's a little bit less risk of a major VIX spike in July and even into August. Where we are seeing a lot of buyers continuing is December. It seems like it's been a lot of retail, a lot of electronic trading, recently a little bit more open outcry, but the December volatility levels on option premium, so looking at straddle levels, like the December 30 straddle, the puts go up and the calls have gone up. So people just seeing more movement in our furthest out month. December option premium levels are reaching levels north of where November is and about even with October. So we're really seeing a lot of buyers in December, our furthest out month. You don't know if this is just they're trying to get the longest term exposure to VIX or if they see something coming in December, but that's what we've seen thus far. A lot of December buyers. This is Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.